Alright guys, so a quick video here on the DAL Fold F7 prop. It's the 7-inch version of the Fold F5 that I reviewed not too long ago, like maybe a week or so ago. It just came in, and I don't really fly 7-inch all that much. In fact, I think this is like, I only have like 2 7-inch quads, and this one seemed to be flying the best of the two. So I put them on these. I wanted to see basically how unbalanced they were, if there's a lot of jello, and also what the power was like, and I'll talk about that in the narration during the flight demo. But I put the RunCam 5 Orange on here, which tends to show a lot of jello if there is any, and it's hard mounted right to the frame in the front here. So you'll see in the flight demo, you can tell me if you see a lot of jello. The tune on this guy is not good. I have never had much luck in tuning 7-inch quads. If you see anything in this tune that I could change to improve it, let me know in the comments, because I'm curious what I'm missing here in this tune. It just kind of just seems very loose and kind of bounces around. I don't feel like I have very good control, and it has nothing to do with the prop. I had the same problem with the previous prop that was on here. I think it was an HQ 7-inch prop. I tried like 3 or 4 different 7-inch props to get a better tune out of this, but generally speaking, all the 7-inch quads kind of fly the same way to me. They just don't seem very locked in. This prop, in general, this seemed to be lower pitched, and it does seem to be lighter, so it does seem a little bit more responsive than some of the other 7-inch props out there. But it's hard to judge because I don't really fly 7-inch that much, so take that with a grain of salt. But I want to show you how much these blades weigh and how much the whole prop weighs. Alright, so let's just do a quick look at what the blade looks like. I believe it's like a 41 pitched prop, and this is how much it weighs. One blade's on 1.7 grams, and then they're on the 5.1 grams plus the hub, and the whole prop weighs almost 7 grams, 6.9 grams. So I'll go ahead and show you the flight footage. Let me know what you guys think of the footage coming out of the RunCam 5 Orange. If you see any jello specifically. I know the tune's not so good, it's kind of oscillating, but I'm curious to see if you think that there's jello coming from perhaps unbalanced props, because I think a lot of people are suspicious of folding props having a lot of jello, but not necessarily from the PID tune. So let me know that in the comments below. Alright, so going to be flying this kind of on the slow side, and not sure if we're going to be able to hear the props or not. Not that loud, actually. So flying a 7-inch here with all these trees is not easy, and it's super windy. They feel pretty similar to the 5-inch versions. They don't have a lot of bite or grip. It's enough. I'll have to see what the RunCam footage looks like in 4K or whatever, HD. See if there's any jello. I don't see any jello in the FPV feed. Yeah, it's not quite as responsive as I would like. I don't think I would do any major acro with this, but it's okay for cruising around like this, I think. And again, we'll have to see what the HD footage looks like. It's surprisingly not as loud as I thought it would be. Yeah, like right there on that turn, not as much grip as I would like. So you're gonna have to anticipate for that. Yeah, I'm not sure if you're gonna be racing this or not. I don't think I would be racing this, but like if you want to be doing this kind of proximity, you're gonna have to have pretty good skills if you want to go fast. Yeah, it's quite windy, and I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear that in the microphone or not. You know, the wind is, you can kind of, as I get up a little higher, you can see it kind of getting bounced around a bit. Yeah, the wind is definitely causing some wobbles and bounciness. You can definitely see it in the FPV feed. Could be the tune on this 7-inch. The 7-inch is notoriously difficult to tune, especially in windy conditions here. Earlier, with a little less wind, it wasn't bouncing as much. And then as you get lower to the ground, it seems to have less of that bounciness. See if I can try and fly a little slower here. And plenty of flight time on this one. 7-inch is way more efficient than 5-inch. Alright, so I think it's gives you guys a pretty good idea of how this will perform. I wouldn't be using this as like, look how windy that is right here, as my main 7-inch prop. But if you're traveling a lot, you don't want to take your props off and put up this into a backpack, a 7-inch, you can do it with this one for sure. But wow, look how windy this is here. Still have pretty decent control. Doesn't have the power that if you would want more power, but I think you're going to get way more efficiency on this prop than I think, more than I expected actually. Look how windy it is here. Just dodging through the trees. Alright, that's enough of this. Gonna head in the demo here. It's more than 6.5 minutes of flight. Let me know what you guys think.